I never thought of marketing as a ministry. It dawned on me one day, but let me regress. First, I was susceptible to all the hype, all the manipulative marketing. And you know what? I'm going to caveat there because there's a lot of manipulation that isn't necessarily bad. So we moms manipulate our kids all the time to teach them how to be a decent human being. So there is that kind of manipulation. So manipulation is not necessarily a bad word. It sounds like a bad word. It sounds bad in my head too. But learning how psychology works in marketing will help you get your message out there. So I don't want you to diss it and say marketing is evil and sales is evil. No, they're tools. And it depends on who's using it and what you're using it for. It's what's in your heart that matters. That's what matters to God too. The intentions in your heart. We're here to help people. So after doing all of the classes, I don't know if you can hear it, but there's a brown thrasher singing. So pretty. Where was I? The moment we realized that every video can be a message, a part of your mystery, part of your ministry, even a prayer. I am sending good intentions to you right now as we speak to you, because I know if you're watching this and you've made it this far into the video that you have something to say and something stopping you from showing up on camera. I've been there. I still get stopped and stuck sometimes, but it's when I'm not being me. The moment you realize that, you figure out that your marketing is a ministry to people and you're helping them, everything changes and flips. It's not a job anymore. It's something you have to do and you have to show up, because if you don't feel like you're being yourself. I'm gonna end this video with Proverbs 22:1. A beautiful reputation is more to be desired than great riches, and to be esteemed by others is more honorable than to own immense investments. Yes, we want immense investments. Yes, we want all that so that we can use that money more towards our ministries and our goals. But you have to be truthful first and shed the crazy hype out there and be you. Come to my workshop next week and we'll talk more about this. So drop workshop if you want to come. I'll see you there.